Ever wondered how this guy gained over 50,000 subscribers and millions of views just by making football edits? Well, today is your lucky day. In this video, I'll teach you how to create amazing football edits just like this. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Enjoy song and CAPCUT Pro link location will be shown in the corner of the video in a few moments.